Hi everyone, Alex here. Today we're going to be creating a slab on grade. Like I mentioned before, this was pretty challenging because I didn't have access to the site, so I had to base everything on existing pictures. But anyway, I'm going to give you a quick intro, and then we're going to be creating a slab on grade and adjusting the profile based on the existing walls. So get ready and let's get it started. And remember, this video is part of our Revit multi-trade from 0 to 100 course. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, go ahead and watch them now, because if not, you're going to be completely lost. Hi everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp, where we help you with professional training and coaching in mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection systems, and Autodesk platforms like Revit and AutoCAD MEP. Let's get started. Now I just need to fill in with concrete. So what I'm going to do is, well, first I'm going to delete that little drafting line that I had somewhere. Here it is. Delete. I'm going to copy this floor from here to here. And now I'm going to edit this to be concrete. And how deep do I want this to be? I want it to be 2.5 inches. So actually, let's click on it. Let's select the concrete one. This one, for example. Then we want to edit it. We want to duplicate it. We want to make it 2.5. Click OK. Edit structure. This is going to be 2.5. OK. OK. And now we just move it up. So we're going to demolish all this. And this area here is flush with grade. And the door is actually down here. So this door that we have here, let's go to 3D view. So this door here is actually flush with grade. This wall actually starts all the way down here. And then this door actually lives down here. Let's take a look at our 3D view. So that's more like it. And I just checked the pictures, and this is actually all slab on grade. So none of this exists. This doesn't exist. This doesn't exist. This doesn't exist. And this doesn't exist. So in reality, you have these two walls coming all the way down, and then this is actually a larger slab. So let's go to the main floor. Let's go to our section. Let's select this slab here. Let's go back to our main wood floor plan, and let's go edit boundary. And then what we'll do is we will extend this to here. I'm going to do a split from here to here. I'm going to align that to the exterior wall. I'm going to pick line. It's going to be this guy. Let's lock it. We want to do trim from here to here and from here to here. We actually want to remove this lock, and we want to lock it to the interior. And then here we don't really have slab on grade, we just have grass. So let's just align to here and lock it. And then let's split here. We align to this one and lock it. And then we pick lines, this one here, and we do TR from here to here and from here to here. And most likely what happened is they pour this whole thing first, and then they just filled up this part. But it doesn't matter, we're going to join them anyway. So for now we can just say OK. Now we go to our 3D view. I know that this goes around a little bit more, but we'll deal with that when we do the site plan. For now, let's just extend a little bit, something like that. Let's make it a round number just to have something. So let's say 3 feet. We'll adjust later. And we'll click OK. Let's take a look at our section. It's looking good. Let's take a look at our 3D view. We need to lower these walls, of course. So I think it was -8 inches. Let's make this height 9 feet. Let's take this down those -8 inches. And let's also make this two heights 9 feet. When we have our roof, we'll extend to roof. And now this is looking very similar to the as-built conditions. Actually, this little wall here is very short. It's a 4-foot wall. And it comes out of the grade level. And it's 4 feet. It's just to have a gate. And so is this one here. Coming out of grade. And it's 4 feet. It just has a planter behind it. Let's bring those two up to the foundation level so that it doesn't cut into it. So foundation. And this one also foundation. All right, looking good. Let's keep going. Just a note to say that if you're watching this, you're not currently on our BIMitUp platform, so you may be getting only partial content. For exclusive BIMitUp training material, you want to visit BIMitUp.com. Subscription to the website is free, with some paid and some free content. We're trying not to run ads here, so the creation of the content is made possible, mostly by the contribution and support of our subscribers. So if you enjoy what we do here, please consider becoming one. You can do so by joining our Patreon community at patreon.com/BIMitUp, or by simply scanning the QR code that you see on screen right now. And if you're really serious about your professional training, you can book some live training at BIMitUp.com, or by simply scanning the QR code that you see on screen right now. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.